On our upcoming pilot episode of Farm2Table TV, La Tour Eiffel, we'll be visiting Paris, Texas that is, where we'll be stopping by the Farmers and Artisan Market in Market Square and chatting with the market manager, Sherry Bedford. Getting to meet with some of their fantastic vendors. We'll learn about grass-fed cattle ranching at the BFT Ranch, get a private tour of the Emma Grace Bed and Breakfast, and talking about the benefits of healthy eating habits at the Paris Regional Medical Center. We'll also be rolling with Hell's Kitchen contestant Polly Holladay, getting down on the farm at Atlas Homestead, going all natural at Paris Natural Farms, and meeting with the sweet quirky Belle, all before heading back to Ben Franklin and having an amazing Farm2Table TV dinner. Be sure to tune in this coming Sunday night.